Hello, I'm Sean Brackley. I am a applications and product engineer here at SAC America. We are a producer of ceramic components, so we could produce parts and orders from one to several thousand, and at cost without requiring tooling costs or anything like that. So, for example, a part like this, getting that molded would cost tens of thousands of dollars and probably take about 6 to 8 months to get that molded and get your first article. We were able to produce the first article of this within 3 weeks and have it for about $100 coming straight out. The other plus side of being able to 3D print ceramics is you can do geometries that just aren't moldable. So something like this, where you've got a fine lattice going through it, where you've got holes and cross holes. This is not going to be something, even with a good mold for ceramic injection molding, that you're going to be able to get out. We're able to print this quite easily and get this again within a 3 to 4 week lead time.